We have, okay, so the blues we were talking about, let's see. We have here page, what page is that? Actually, I should do this way so I can record it for you. So the blues was on page 54. So for the left hand here, let's go through the blues form. So this is like the most basic form of blues. And the blues has changed a lot since the most basic. Like it started, the most basic form of blues started showing up in the delta of the Mississippi River around 1890. And at first, it was just based on these chords, 3 different chords, 4 measure phrases, 3 phrases, 12 bars, right? So we start with the 1 chord in root position, that would be C. And then 4 would be F. And we would play it in second inversion. And back to 1. And 1 again. Measure 5 will be 4. 4 is F again. And F again. And back to 1, which is C. On the third line, we'll have G. G, we would play it in first inversion. That's 5. And then for the 4, I would go up to second inversion and then back down to C in root position. All right, let's play that again, and I'm going to play a bass line to help you with the count. And you guys are just going to play the chords. If you feel ready to do the right hand blues scale, you can. But for now, you can do just the chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. The chords there on the left hand, and I was doing that bass line just to help you count the beats through it. Now, the minor blues scale, if you filled out the book, it should look like so. We have C, flat 3 is E flat, 4 is F, flat 5 or sharp 4, you can call it either way, is, I'm going to write it as F sharp since we're going up. Natural 5 is G, flat 7 is B flat, and the octave from the root is C. To play this minor blues in C, so check it out, there are many different fingerings you can use, and depending on the key, it will be a different set of fingerings. For this one, an easy one to do is whenever you have a white key, you can just play with the thumb. And whenever you have a black key, you can just use finger 3 for now. So that would be C with the thumb, E flat with finger 3, turn to the thumb on F, F sharp with the finger 3, thumb on G, B flat with finger 3, and thumb with C. And going backwards, same thing. Finger 3 on B flat, G with the thumb, G flat with finger 3, thumb on F, finger 3 on E flat, and C with the thumb. Let's play that together and let's swing the 8th note. So we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and ready and backwards. Again, ready, and all right, now let's just try playing this while the left hand plays the chords on from the blues form. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to C. Measure 4. Measure 5. Measure 9 is a G and F. How'd it go? Yeah, I'm going to give you 3 minutes and a half to do what we just did, and then we're going to move on to the major blues, and then we're going to talk about improvisation using these scales.